In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Ads Manager accounts, how to connect and manage your clients' accounts with Google Ads. First, we'll set up your manager account, which is the hub that lets you oversee multiple client accounts from one place. Head to the Google Ads site and click Start Now. At the bottom of the sign up flow, choose Create a Manager Account. Enter an account name, set the primary use to manage client accounts, and select the correct country and time zone for your agency or business. When you're ready, click Submit, and your manager account will be created. Next, grab your manager account ID. Inside your account, look to the top right corner and copy the 10-digit ID. You'll use this number to link client accounts, so keep it handy. To connect an existing client account, you have two options. The first is to send a request from your manager account. Go to Accounts, click the plus icon, choose Link Existing Account, enter the client's Google Ads account ID, pick Admin or Standard Access, and send the request. Your client must approve it on their side before access is granted. If you prefer, the client can invite you instead. Ask them to open Google Ads, go to Tools and Settings, then Access and Security, select Managers, enter your manager account ID, and send the invitation. You'll approve it in your manager account once it arrives. If your client doesn't have an account yet, you can create one for them from your manager account. Click the plus icon, select Create a New Account, and enter the account name, website URL, time zone, and currency, then click Submit. Double check time zone and currency. They affect reporting and billing and can't be changed later. Switching between clients is easy. Use the account selector at the top left to jump into any linked account without logging out. This is a huge time saver when you're managing many brands. To manage user access for clients and your team, go to Tools and Settings, then Access and Security. Add users with admin, standard, or read-only roles, and control who can edit campaigns, view billing, or manage users. Assign only the access each person needs. For billing, you can let clients pay directly, or use consolidated billing if you pay first and invoice them later. Go to Tools and Settings, open Billing, choose a payment profile, and assign it to the right accounts. Use the Manager dashboard to see total spend, compare conversions, monitor performance by account, and spot issues quickly. For deeper insights, open reports to build cross-account performance views, conversion summaries, and spend versus ROI comparisons, and schedule automatic email reports to keep stakeholders aligned. Finally, follow best practices. Keep one client per account, use clear naming conventions, limit admin access, review performance weekly, organize with labels, and never mix currencies or time zones.